Hello and welcome back to another tutorial for Place My App. How do we log in? Well, it's pretty simple, but I figure it's going to be a common question. So what we're going to go to is placemyapp.com/manager. Oops, spell it correctly. Now I have my information saved in here. This will help you log on in. If you forget your login, there's a helpful button down there that says Forgot Login. You click on it and it will bring this up. You can enter your username, which is this right here, or the email that is associated with the account. Hit that and that will help you log in on your own. Since I already have my information filled out here, we go ahead and click Login. Aha! There we are. And just as an added bonus, let's click on Home and click on View. The View button will help us view the front end so we can see the changes we made. All right, I hope you learned a lot here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.